Hi everybody, how are things? I haven't been on here for a week or two. I've had problems with my ears. I actually went a little bit deaf and I thought maybe I'm just getting old and I'm going deaf or something, but as it turns out they were completely blocked with earwax. So as silly as it seemed to me at the time, last Friday I ended up having to get my ears microsuctioned or hoovered. I'm not sure how you say it. This one's still a little bit blocked, but it'll get there in time. But I think this had been happening to me for a long time because I just accepted that sounds were muffled and I couldn't hear as well. And once I had them cleaned on Friday, oh my God, the sounds I could hear, the clock ticking on the wall. I started my car and I jumped. So just be aware that earwax can cause you to go deaf, apparently. So the outside of my fridge is covered in artwork, mainly done by my youngest daughter. And she actually took some time to arrange all of this today, so I'm not going to take away any of it just for now. So it's a little bit cringy showing you the inside of my fridge. The shopping got dumped this week rather than put away properly. And there's 8 of us living here, so it's really hard to keep small spaces like this clean. Hence, I'm trying to organise it a little bit better. Also, my fridge is really old and the light hasn't worked in years, so sorry about the darkness. This container I have here is the Variera box from Ikea. I bought 3 of these because I want some for my press as well, but they were €4 each. And this set I actually picked up in my local TK Maxx, but it's available from Amazon. It's the Rothro Loft Fridge Organise set, and there's 3 of them, so I can actually link them below. They are available on Amazon, and I think they were $8.99. I can't get the camera to focus. Yes, I think it was $8.99 for the set of 3. Me and the kids find that when you're looking for the yogurt you want, you can never find it because they're always stuck in the back of the fridge and sometimes they get squished. So I definitely want some type of container where I can keep them all together and you can just pull it out and find what you want. I couldn't wait to get this container going for all our sauces and dressings. Not only will it keep them all in one place, but it might stop the fridge being so sticky when they leak all over the place. Okay, so this is the end result, and it's much better than what we started with. I'm really happy with how the containers worked out. I've even got an empty shelf there. The same amount of food has gone back in, apart from a tub of coleslaw and some cat food. Everything else has gone back in. It just shows how much space you can save by organising it well. I'm mega happy with the containers. That's it for now. Thanks for watching if you're still here. If you liked the video, maybe think of subscribing. Till next time. Bye.